How to replace Volkswagen Tiguan, 2017 to 2021, cabin air filter in 6 easy steps. 1. Open the glove compartment and lift those 2 clamps to lower the glove box. 2. Remove the arm from the right side and lower the glove compartment. 3. Remove the cover from the air cabin filter box, pressing on those 3 clamps. 4. Remove the used cabin air filter and replace it with the new one. We replaced the old filter with a MAN filter FP26009 activated carbon filter that you can find it below in the video description. We chose to change the filter to one with activated carbon because it is more efficient. This new one prevents harmful fine particles and dust from entering the vehicle cabin while keeping clean and healthy environment in the car, and also stops the unpleasant smell from outside. We recommend this activated carbon filter if you drive the car mainly in a big and crowded city. Install the cabin air filter with the arrows pointing down. Five. Install the cover back on the cabin air filter box. Six. Install the plastic arm back and then close the glove box. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.